Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie Ann. I hadn't planned on doing a video today, but I was just about to clean out the refrigerator. Tomorrow is garbage day and all of our green bin food waste is going to be collected. And so I try to do it the day before so that we get rid of everything and it's not sitting around in the green bin for too long. So that is what I'm doing. I thought, you know what, I'll just show you before and after. Our refrigerator right now is a disaster, so I think it's a good time to actually film this. Typically I've been pretty good about keeping it clean, but the last several weeks I think it was with March break and being away and things like that, I just haven't been on top of it. So yeah, let me show you where we're starting. All right guys, so here is the refrigerator right now. So as you can see, it is pretty much a disaster. There is champagne that I had bought at New Year's, and I forgot, we had people over and I forgot to open it at midnight. Anyhow, I should really put that downstairs. We have a little bar fridge down there, so I should move that. But anyhow, this is what we're starting with, and then wish me luck. I hope I can get this done, and I hope it doesn't take too long. So the fridge is done. Let me give you a little sneak peek into it. All right, so it's not super organized like I've had it in the past, but it's cleared out and it's cleaned and I feel good about it. And I'm all set to do a new grocery order, so that's the important part. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in again. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and like the video if you would like some more cleaning. Jack, if you would like some more cleaning videos. You are such a naughty kitty. Do you know that? But you're so cute. All right, take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.